What if I told you you could grow sweet, juicy blueberries even in terrible soil? The secret isn't fertilizer. It's a few simple pH hacks that transform any ground into a blueberry paradise. Blueberries are America's favorite backyard fruit, but they're picky. They demand acidic soil, usually between pH 4.5 to 5.5. Most backyards across the USA. Way too alkaline. That's why so many gardeners fail and give up. But here's the twist. You don't need perfect soil. With the right pH hacks, you can transform clay, sand, or stubborn alkaline ground into a thriving blueberry bed. And today, I'll show you exactly how. This isn't theory. It's practical, tested, and safe for long-term growth. By the end of this video, you'll know how to turn bad soil into a blueberry haven, step by step. And if you're new here, welcome to the Garden Sage, where we turn impossible gardens into thriving stories. Subscribe now and join a community of growers who believe every backyard has hidden potential. Blueberries are one of the most beloved fruits in the USA, but they're also one of the most misunderstood. Gardeners often plant them with excitement, only to watch leaves turn yellow, growth stall, and fruit production vanish. The culprit? Soil pH. Blueberries thrive in acidic soil between pH 4.5 to 5.5. Most backyards, however, lean alkaline, locking away nutrients like iron and nitrogen. Imagine trying to sip a smoothie through a clogged straw. The nutrients are there, but blueberries can't access them. That's why so many plants survive but never thrive. The good news? You don't need perfect soil. With simple hacks, you can transform stubborn clay, sandy loam, or even neglected ground into a blueberry-friendly paradise. Once you unlock the soil's secret code, blueberries reward you with decades of harvests. Before you fix soil, you need to know what you're working with. Testing is the first step. Forget expensive kits. Start with a DIY trick. Scoop soil into a cup, add vinegar. If it fizzes, your soil is alkaline. Add baking soda with water. If it bubbles, it's acidic. It's not lab accurate, but it gives you a clue. For precision, invest in a $10 digital pH meter. Knowing your baseline helps you choose the right hack. Without testing, you're shooting in the dark. Blueberries thrive at pH 4.5 to 5.5. Anything higher and they struggle. Testing isn't glamorous, but it's the foundation of success. Think of it as a doctor's checkup for your soil diagnosis before treatment. Nature offers gentle ways to lower soil pH. Pine needles and oak leaves make excellent mulch, slowly acidifying soil while keeping it moist. Coffee grounds add organic matter and nudge pH downward, but use sparingly to avoid compaction. For a reliable long-term fix, sulfur granules are your best friend. They react with soil bacteria, gradually lowering pH over weeks. These methods are safe, affordable, and sustainable, perfect for backyard gardeners. Bonus: they also improve soil texture and microbial life. Imagine turning kitchen waste and autumn leaves into blueberry fuel. That's the beauty of organic acidifiers. They recycle what nature already provides. Sometimes you need speed. That's where liquid acidifiers shine. A monthly dose of diluted vinegar water, 1 tablespoon per gallon, can gently shift soil pH. Citric acid, available in grocery stores, dissolves instantly and works even faster. And don't forget rainwater. It's naturally acidic compared to tap water, which is often alkaline. Collecting rainwater in barrels can make a huge difference for your blueberries. The water you choose can literally decide whether your plants thrive or fail. Think of liquid boosters as quick fixes, perfect for emergencies or when plants show stress. They're not replacements for long-term soil management, but they buy you time and keep plants healthy while deeper changes take root. If your soil is hopeless, skip it. Blueberries grow beautifully in containers when you control the mix. A blend of 50% peat moss, 30% pine bark, and 20% perlite creates the perfect acidic, well-drained environment. Containers also let you move plants for sunlight or protect them in winter. It's a foolproof way to guarantee success, especially for beginners. Plus, patio blueberries look stunning and produce just as well as in-ground bushes. Imagine sipping morning coffee while picking fresh berries from a container right outside your door. Container gardening isn't a compromise. It's a strategy. It gives you control, flexibility, and beauty all in one. Even with hacks, mistakes can ruin your efforts. Over-fertilizing with nitrogen burns roots. Adding lime raises pH, blueberries hate it. Poor drainage suffocates roots, leading to plant death. Avoid these traps, and your blueberries can live for 50 years, producing fruit season after season. Think of blueberries as long-term companions. Treat them right, and they'll reward you for decades. Imagine walking into your backyard, picking handfuls of sweet berries, and knowing you made it possible. That's the power of understanding soil pH. So, whether your soil is clay, sand, or stubbornly alkaline, these pH hacks can transform it into a blueberry haven. If you found this helpful, subscribe to The Garden Sage, where we turn impossible gardens into thriving stories. And share in the comments. Which hack will you try first?